Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Just wanted to let you know what's been happening with the Macaron. We've recently ran into some circuitry issues, not some circuitry issues, some manufacturing issues with the circuitry. Basically, because of the coronavirus, there have been a lot of workers over in China that are not allowed to show up to factory to actually do the work of the day. So their lead times, or their times they actually take to get things done, have turned into 2 to 3 months. And this isn't, I know we should be the ones suffering the burden for this one. But what we're going to be doing to fix this up is I'm going to be making some, I guess, custom molds, which is going to take more time for my behalf. But what it will mean is we'll order the components themselves instead of getting those PCBs manufactured in China, which was the original plan, and which is what we have been doing. So I will just get the basics stuff and get everything imported into Australia, just so we can manufacture everything in Australia. It's going to be a bit more painful to set up because they have a lot of machines there that make this kind of process a lot easier. Like a pick and place machine kind of just grabs small little, imagine components the size of maybe, let's say, a 10th or the 20th of your fingernail, of your little pinky fingernail. That's the kind of components that we're working with. And when you do it by hand, it takes so long. It takes you about like an hour and a half for one little PCB, and their machines can do it within a couple minutes. So the original plan was to get it manufactured over there, but because of the crises that's been occurring around the world, we're not going to be able to do that, or that's not feasible within the time limits that we're looking at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small little mold for the electronics. I'm going to place these electronic components into, imagine it like a slot machine. We're going to build like a small little slot machine for all these fingerprint sized, or 20th of your fingernail size components, and we're just going to place it into there, and that's going to make the process a lot easier for us. Just it'll probably reduce the time to make each PCB too, just so you're not having to eye. The best way to describe it is imagine trying to thread a needle and trying to thread a needle repeatedly, and you just have to keep threading a different needle every time. Like, there's a lot of focus that's required in that. So we're creating something that helps that process for these PCBs to manufacture them. We've got the touch screens coming this week, and I've sharpened up the process for polishing and sanding down the components on the CNC machine. I've got some photos here, but basically I kind of hacked a disc sander that you would use to polish your car, and I put it together so it kind of just becomes like this handheld little belt sander. But yeah, so that's what's been happening. And this weekend, if we can, I'll be manufacturing PCBs. If it's not this weekend, it'll be next week. That'll be manufacturing them with this new concept that we're rolling with. Once the PCBs are manufactured, that's it, and we can start packaging them and shipping them. So thanks for watching this video. There's more to come, and I'll keep letting you know. The thing I forgot to mention, actually, that's the problem side, but what we've improved is the templating system, but I'll do a separate video for that. Thank you.